We present the news. You analyze the various topics and distill the issues as they unfold. Your distillation points matter as we're about to highlight them in our Social Buzz report.
Mitch Phillip now faces the High Court for the alleged death of his girlfriend, Shenelle Alexis, of St. Mark, as the trial now gets underway. The non-capital murder case brought against Victoria St. Mark resident Mitch Phillip in connection with the May 30th, 2020 death of his 23-year-old common-law wife, Shenelle Alexis, commenced at the St. George's No. 1 High Court on Monday. The matter gets underway nearly 1 year after the 51-year-old Phillip was committed to stand trial in the High Court for non-capital murder at the end of his preliminary inquiry before Magistrate Francine Foster at the Victoria Magistrates Court in November 2021. Social media users took to the comment section to share their thoughts about this development. The following views are that of members of the public and not of the Grenada Broadcasting Network. Shadeen Thomas says, "All you take real long with this. Pray justice is served." Rachel Charles says, "I'm surprised they had to call in someone from Trinidad who examined the evidence that something was pushed inside her, as well as there being restraint marks, and the findings by our experts were inconclusive." Rachel Charles further added, "I'm just so shocked that our investigators couldn't assess this. It sounds so straightforward." Solomon Christopher concludes and questions, "The woman had botched abortion. If that's the case, and she agreed, who did the procedure? And if it's him, the charge should be involuntary manslaughter."
That's what's buzzing tonight. We encourage you, our viewers and listeners, to submit your think pieces on trending topics locally, regionally, and internationally via our Facebook page and YouTube channel. Continue to share your thoughts and concerns with us on our social media platforms.